welcome to another video of Darren Hickey, Hornby GWR. Today we are looking at a vent van. Came through the post yesterday, and yes, it's Friday and it's VE Day. It's basically a celebration of the Second World War when it ended. So I'm not going into any more detail than that. So the wagon we're looking at is another TTS sound wagon, and this is what it says. It's R6925TTS. It's BR10T vent van. Heavy weathered with TTS sound. So I call this version 2. You think why? This is version 1. So yeah. Very exciting because I haven't got my hands on this. So, further ado, let's get her out the box, shall we? Should be a instruction manual. Yep, there you go. See what I said? Vent van to TTS sound decoder manual. Basically telling you how to do all that, but this is what we're more interested in. I apologise for joking the camera, but I will leave the list of these in the section below, so you can read what all the sounds are. And I've just scrolled this up slowly so you can see what there is, and you can hear all these sounds. So, further ado, back to the here now. Due to there's a crisis going on called lockdown due to a coronavirus. Yeah, so comparing the new one and the old one, the moulding is the same but different colour. So yeah, you can see on the new one, you can see where it looks like it's been patched up with new wood. But I think the idea of these are to put them into the siding and just leave them there. It's like they've been abandoned, basically. No sprung buffers, afraid. The couplings are basically these ones, and you can pull out and put them in. That's some information on the back. You can see where the pickups are. So really nice weathering on this. The front and the other side, you can see where the brake handle is, stuff like that, and on the other side. And I think the wheels are weathered, but you can see they are metal. That's good, because otherwise this will not pick up electricity if it's plastic. So what we're going to do is put onto the track and hear the sounds. I'll be back in a minute. Right, we're back at the layout, as you can see. We are going to be using this controller. I haven't programmed her onto a certain number yet, so she still has number 3, but when I do program her, she'll be a different number. So here we go. And do remember, if you want to know what the lists are of the sounds, it be in the section below. So I am now going to stop talking and get the sounds played. Next one, hopefully I can get round to it, is the Pullman train Brighton Bell train set pack, whatever you're going to call it. So further ado, let's play all the sounds. thank you to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel, click like, and please leave your comments below. And hopefully I'll get to you again with another video. Enjoy the rest of the time, and big thank you to everyone who's been watching this channel. Thank you. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.